Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. The title of the book is Progressive English Unit 1 Where We Live Now. Today our topic is Summer in Murree. Students, open your book on page number 7. Here is personal writing Summer in Murree. When I was a child, eager mean शौकीन, as we were to escape mean फरार होना, the heat of summer on the plains and in Lahore. We used to spend our summer holidays either in Ghoda Gali, which is about 25 miles from Islamabad, or in the hill resort. Resort mean Serga. Murree is in foothill of the Himalaya, 7,000 feet up in the kind of country that is now being threatened by deforestation. Deforestation mean जंगलात की कटाई. Quiet part mean बिल्कुल अलग from the cool mountain air. यानी cool mountain air से बिल्कुल अलग which grew cooler the higher we climbed up from the hot dusty plains and the bright crystal clear means साफ शफाफ. Climate, what I remember best as we trekked and climbed in the hill was the wildlife. यानी जंगलात के जो एनिमल होते हैं, monkeys, jackals, foxes and hundreds of exotic birds. Exotic birds mean गैर मुल्की परिंदे. Like everywhere else, Murree is more crowded now than it was in 1960 century, but it remained magical spot. Magical spot mean जादुई जगह. Despite losing, यानी वजूद इसके किसने lose किया है, some of its trees, कुछ trees and the resulting landslides, जिसके नतीजे में landsliding होती है. And I only hope that future generation mean नस्लें will be able to enjoy it as I did. और मुझे होप है कि आने वाली जो नस्लें हैं वैसे enjoy करेंगे जैसे कि मैंने इसे enjoy किया है. Now come here. Old my parents took us to a rest house for our summer holidays. A few miles above Murree, in a place called Donga Gali. It is called Donga Gali. I shall never forget mean भूलना, the commotion mean हंगामा, शोर शराबा. Commotion mean हंगामा, शोर शराबा caused throughout the area when a panther mean चीता killed a donkey. यानी वो उस हंगामे को कभी नहीं भूलूंगा जब एक पैंथर जो था, चीता जो था, वो एक डंकी से जो है वो मारा गया. और डंकी नेक्स्ट टू आवर रेस्ट हाउस, हमारे रेस्ट हाउस के आगे. The excitement grew even greater when hunters came in from the surrounding mean everywhere. Countryside mean देही इलाके. And built macans mean disused भेस बदलना, मैकेनिज्मी डिस्क्यू, भेस बदलना। अराउंड द किल, लकीली द crafty, crafty मीन फुर्ती से हरकत करना। पैंथर सेंसेड ट्रबल एंड फेल्ड टू शो अप। लास्ट पैराग्राफ इज क्वाइट रिसेंटली, क्वाइट रिसेंटली मीन हाल ही में, अभी हाल ही में। A panther made its way into someone garage in इस्लामाबाद, यानी अभी हाल ही में एक पैंथर ने जो है वो इस्लामाबाद में किसी के गराज में गया। विच इज़ अबाउट 40 माइल्स फ्राम डोंगा गली, जो डोंगा गली से 40 माइल अबव है, ऊपर है। द अनफॉर्चुनेट, द अनफॉर्चुनेट एनिमल, बदकिस्मत जानवर। व्हेन द न्यूज़ ब्रोक नेक्स्ट डे, जब नेक्स्ट डे ये खबर आई, द पुलिस एक्शन वाज वाइडली कंडेम्ड, तो पुलिस का जो एक्शन था वो वाज वाइडली कंडेम्ड। कंडेम्ड मीन मजम्मत किया, यानी पुलिस का जो एक्शन था वो मजम्मत किया गया। विद द रिजल्ट्स डेट व्हेन आ मंथ और टू लेटर आ स्नो लेपर्ड walked into someone's house way up in चित्राल में। In the Karakoram, an expert was flown in from Karachi to dart the leopard with a sedative. Sedative mean sukoon आवर दवा, before letting it back into the wild, यानी इसको जंगल में ले जाने से पहले सुकून आवाज जो है वो मेडिसिन देनी चाहिए। स्टूडेंट्स, रीड दिस पेज at least 2 or 3 times, then you will understand it very well. Come on page number 8, vocabulary. Here is vocabulary. Match the definitions on the right to the words from the next on the left. Eager, eager mean keen. Third one, keen. Deforestation mean cutting down of trees, as I have told you people. Commotion, disturbance. Commotion, disturbance. Crafty, cunning. Last one, crafty mean cunning. Condemned, mean said it was wrong. Said it was wrong. And last one is sedative. Sedative mean drug which causes sleepiness. Drug which causes sleepiness. Sedative means sukoon or dawa, as I have told you people. Next page, come on, next page. Page number 9. Reading for understanding is for your homework. You have to do it. And reading for detail also you have to do it. Students, now note down your homework. Reading for understanding. Reading for understanding, and I also told you people reading for detail you have to learn. To make 10 MCQs on page number 7. For example, Ghoda Gali, which is about 25 miles from Islamabad. Option A 26, option B 25, option C 28, option D 24. The correct answer is B 25 mile. You will take option B. The correct answer is 25 mile. In this way, you have to make 10 MCQs on page number 7. This is your homework. Next we will teach in next lecture inshallah. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.